To a Louse by Robert Burns, 1759 to 1796. O wad some Pow'r the giftie gie us, to see ourselves as ithers see us. It wad frae mony a blunder free us, and foolish notion, what else in dress and gait would leave us, and even devotion. And now in English. Oh, would some power give us the gift to see ourselves as others see us. It would free from many a blunder free us, and foolish notion. What airs in dress and gait would leave us, and even in devotion. Okay, let's see. This poem is by Robert Burns. He's a pioneer of the Romantic movement. He's the Scottish poet, and if you notice, the first these two verses are the same. The first bit I read, this is Burns's original, and this now, the second part, is translated into English. Okay, he's widely known as the national poet of Scotland. Yeah, he was born in Ayrshire. Let's see, what's this about? Well, this poem is effectively an ode to a louse. A louse is this little insect that lives in your hair and is very difficult to get rid of. And what's happened here is Burns is in church, and sitting in front of him there is a lady, and he can see a louse that is walking around in her hat, yeah, and she doesn't know this is happening. And the poem is telling the louse off for not realizing how important this lady is. She's important, and they're in church in her beautiful hat. And then he wishes, or he imagines, that for a louse everybody is equal, and that if we could see ourselves as other people see us, so if the louse could see the lady as she sees the louse, and if the lady could see the louse as the louse sees her, then we would be much less pretentious. We would see the world much more reasonably. So he's hoping that, he's wishing that if we could see ourselves as others do, particularly this situation of the louse and the lady, then we would be much more real in the way we think. Yeah, so we wouldn't have airs and graces in the way we dress. We wouldn't pretend to be wonderful people. Yeah, we wouldn't pretend to be pious when going to church. You could also interpret it that maybe he's he's thinking that the woman would be really, really upset if she knew that she had this louse in her hair. So, yeah, let's see. Oh, would some power give us the gift? I wish God or some power would give us the ability to see ourselves as others see us, to see us as we're seen by other people. It would from many a blunder free us, so it would stop us from making many, many mistakes. And it would take away many foolish notions, many foolish ideas. what airs in dress and gait would leave us. So the funny ways that we dress, the social things that we do, the way we walk, we would stop worrying about these things, yeah? And we would perhaps stop worrying so much about the way we pray to God, the format that we talk to God, and maybe we'd worry more about the realities of life. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To a Louse by Robert Burns.